I'm in Gniezno today, the first capital city of Poland and one of the oldest cities in Poland as well. However, right now it's just a medium-sized city, around 70,000 people living, but the history of the city is back to 8th century and to 966 year, when the Poland has got the first king, which is this statue of the first king here, Bolesław Chorobry, and the baptized for the Poland as the country in 966. So I never been here, to be honest. However, I learned at its school regarding the history on the history lessons, and here is a little bit of the story in the mural also behind me. Very important place in Poland, and I'm gonna explore a little bit. Also it's Sunday and the weather is like this one. Let's enjoy Gniezno today. Behind me is also the Gothic Cathedral from 11th century, but to have a tour all around is about 1.5 hours. That will be opportunity for another video one day, but I will show you a little bit around the Gniezno itself, around the city, old town, but also beautiful building over here. That's the other side of the cathedral, and this is like a short street going directly to the old town market square here in Gniezno. I'm gonna focus on this one, show you around. It's also 1 week exactly. Next week at this time is the Christmas already, and the weather is pretty cold, no snow but pretty cold. But that's the view of the cathedral from the other side, like I said. And also here a little bit of the history, also the calendarium in Polish language, but it starts everything in 966 and going up to 2000. Yeah, that's like a little map how everything we're looking here. Some shops, so many historical things in Gniezno, with the flag, with the Polish white eagle here, the first one, now have a gold crown. And so many small little alleys everywhere, cobblestone roads, and I'm going to the old town. Pretty quiet, but like I said, it's Sunday, so many people inside the cathedral and churches. On the other side, people are busy to prepare for Christmas. And the last thing is just simply cold, not gonna lie, and it's gray, no snow, but well, that's the weather, and that's already market square, old town. That's also very nice shot of this old town, the flags and everything. That's the herb of Poland. Here we go. Some people coming to having a look, mostly older people, because well, historical stuff in Poland, they not attract everybody though, but especially at this time of the year, during the summer, I believe the school tours. However, beautiful city. Regarding the architecture, this is the Greater Poland state, so this is like a very Polish stuff here. Though half-hour drive from Poznań city, where I'm living actually. So yeah, this is it. Very happy actually as I came here. Very simple Christmas tree, no yarmark, no Christmas market, or at least not here. But overall, very beautiful, very clean city. Normally here is also the fountain, but due to it's winter cannot work. Obviously it could be frozen and broken. There is the cathedral at the front, and so many little alleys here. All of them were covered with the cobblestone and everything. I'm gonna go this one because that's the main street. Always opposite the church or cathedral will be main street. Also the cars are allowed to drive here. That's okay. We'll go there and show you what's going on. There should be some nice restaurants and also hotels here. But of course, everywhere there will be churches here, because first capital city was baptized together with king. So yeah, and here is something interesting. Little rabbit with the drink. This one here is intended to be walking street. Cars are not allowed, at least from this direction. No, they are not allowed in general. So gonna show you a little bit around. Of course, this is very quiet city. It's, you know, historical. A lot of people coming to learn about the history of Poland here. And also this is not the time to exploring the cities like this one in general. However, maybe it's actually great time because it's so quiet. You can peacefully walk and enjoy, because during the summer it may be very busy here. drink bar, Pietrak. Everything is here, like I said, old architecture, some hotels. This one is 4-star hotel here, Pietrak actually. I think this is some big brand here, local brand, and this is it. Very cool indeed. I think that's the another king here. Yes, that's the Chrobry Street. Little bit of the history. Yes, Chrobrego Street. This is in English. You can pause it in case if you would like to read by yourself. Also in German. And here you go. That's the king on his throne with his crown. He's actually sitting at the front of the old Ratusz, which is old city hall, like this one. Very nice, very cozy, very nice. There is some lady singing. Here you go. I will show you. Always nice to support the people, let's say. Recently I'm uploading some short videos, like 15, 20, 30 seconds on my YouTube channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, you can go to my YouTube channel name and look for the shorts, and then there are 10 already of them, and every second there will be few new ones. I'm coming from this direction. That's already like a half of the city is done. There is like something more modern. There is another street, somebody chilling in the BM. Of course, this is very European stuff though. I'm not a big fan of BMs, by the way. There maybe I'm not gonna go, however maybe I'm gonna return there. I'm gonna go there. There must be something historical there. But I wanted to show you how does it look like here. That's the brand new city hall. Well, brand new, but still built like look old, but it's nice, actually some nice decorations. There's some another government building, and there is another church with the statue of the Saint Wojciech, very important person, historical one. I'm gonna talk about that, and then another one. As you can see everywhere, plenty of churches around and plenty of historical things to learn about. Actually, next to the city hall, this is the post office, also very nice indeed. And there is continuation. That's the church. Gniezno, pierwsza stolica Polski, Gniezno, the first capital city of Poland. Unfortunately, a lot of historical things, but all in Polish language. At least you can see for some old pictures. Sometimes seeing the pictures is more than enough. And that's the statue of the Saint Wojciech. You can also read over here 997, 1000 years. Święty Wojciech or Saint Wojciech, also known as the Adalbert of Prague. In short, he was known for helping the poor and less fortunate people, and also he was trying to free the slaves in Muslim countries. Lucky as in Poland, that's the Polish Czech history, and it's freedom of speech, because if I will making this video in Indonesia, most likely I will disappear. But that was the only history, and that was over 1000 years ago, but still very important. Also, I'm thinking now, as since I live in Poznań, I have about 500 kilometers drive, 5 hours drive to Prague in Czech Republic. One day I'm gonna go there, definitely make a series of videos, because this city is also so beautiful. Let me know if you will be interested to see that, but I believe some of you who are watching me till now, definitely yes. That's the old market square, entrance, exit to the one little street. Rynek here is the name of the market square, old town basically. There's actually another church there. And some nice coffee shops and everything. Everything looks pretty quiet though, but it's actually very beautiful little town, I'm gonna tell you. It's really nice though. It's just quiet, it's cold. I'm not gonna say, even I previously used to walk without the hoodie, you know, without the cover my head, but no, it's actually too cold, especially if the wind is coming, but it's nice. Most of the streets here are still covered by the cobblestone, together with the footpaths, so it's cool. That's another church from the close perspective, and the mix between old and new. Actually, you can find so many little alleys like this one. Next to the church with the big wall, that's the area of the old gate of the wall of the city, like this one. Here you go. in green, this is, we are here, so that was like a fossa and end of the old town, and I think this is the little bit of the very old wall what left here. That's why they never built anything there, even its prime location, which is understandable. And that's the old new town here. Let's have a little walk, actually, why not? Some very different, unique architecture here. Feels a little bit old and feels different. It's a small town, but very, very cozy, I could say, and everywhere basically you can go and see like this. There is some sort of Christmas tree market here. I don't know why the guy is wearing the army uniform with the Polish flag. Maybe just the outfit though, or maybe they are some sort of special event. I don't know. Either way, that's the city. I'm going everywhere and everywhere like this one. Extremely quiet though. It's quieter than Iława, my hometown, but maybe because it's Sunday as well. Okay, there's another statues over there. I'm gonna show you. Oh, and here is another king, I guess. And then normally I think here is the market, like a bazaar, probably on Tuesdays or Thursdays, often like this one. And there is another king, I guess, here. His name was Wacław II. Basically another church here with Santa Maria. Of course, there will be a lot of churches in Gniezno, because that was also the capital of Christianity in Poland, obviously. And also this building, I don't know if they are flat still or not, but looks very, very old. A little bit different architecture. Next to the main road, there's also the Muzeum Początków Państwa Polskiego, which is the museum of the beginning of the Poland as the country. Very interesting museum. I think it's close to the, maybe it's open, not sure though, it's Sunday, but highly recommended. But I will not go inside, I will go on the other side. There is also the panorama of the Gniezno. Actually, I just checked and it's open, so you can go and learn everything about the history of the Poland as the country, how it was established and everything. So cool, but maybe material for the next video. I'm actually walking behind the museum. There are some statue of the kings or something. And there is the park, like a city park actually as well, with the bicycle trails and everything. However, it's middle of December, so it's like winter time, so it's a little bit grayish. It's not sunny day, it's not snow either. It's around 9 degrees right now. If it's no wind, it's nice. If it's wind, it's cold. And at the front of me is the lake and the panorama of Gniezno. I will show you around. I will get just there and show you. So basically there's little lake, and I can see they create even the public toilets in this building. Just interesting fact. Actually looks decent, open to public, and there's like a beach. I believe during the summer a lot of people from Gniezno coming here to chill, because there are also some trailers with the ice creams and everything. But of course everything is closed right now. But during the summer must be very cool spot here to chill out, maybe watching sunset. Not sure where is the sunset, and that's how does it look like. And the Gniezno is over there. This is where I started, the Cathedral. And basically this is the winter side of panorama of Gniezno. You can see the cathedral, you can see the lake. Lake is actually pretty small. Technically, if you have a time and it's summertime, you could walk around peacefully without any problem. Small town, yeah, like I said, there is little beach here for kids. During the summer it must be actually really enjoyable, like a city park in general, with the lake and everything. And that's just the last shot of the Gniezno. Happy as I visited, I think everybody should visit if you get opportunity. Maybe you are going to Poznań, is just very nearby, around 35 kilometers, maybe 50 kilometers, depends where in Poznań, because Poznań is pretty big city actually. Yeah, and it's and it's cool. Sorry, I'm just, it's the cold air, and when you talk it's not that easy. I just learn when I start making those videos. Next week I have a few things to do, very important ones, but at the end of the week before Christmas I'm planning to go to another cities, and like I said already a few times, planning to visit Berlin. But that was Gniezno, first capital city of Poland. Let me know, what do you think? Would you like to visit, or would you like to see more videos like this one in the future though? 1 week to Christmas, so I hope so you're keeping well. I believe you are busy preparing yourself if you celebrate, so if not, that's the still worldwide holidays. Thanks so much for watching, listening. Big thumb up. If you haven't subscribed yet, highly recommended to do it. If you like the content what I'm making, you can always support me by buy me a coffee, link in the description or somewhere on the YouTube as well. In the settings, in the about, you can find following on Instagram as well. You can also join the membership. You can also buy me a coffee there, or support my travels for the monthly subscriptions. Of course, everything is not obligatory, but if you do so, I really appreciate, as the content creator is very helpful. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, listening. I will see you tomorrow or on next video. As always, see ya. Take care.